All right, today's the day. I'm gonna go pick up the 46. Exciting times. Andrew, I think, is leaving here shortly. I think he's got a little bit longer than I do, 10 something hours, probably fully loaded. You can see my rig here. Got my X5D diesel. Got the trailer all ready. Got it all greased up, ready to go. Sin City. Traffic is as usual, driving through here. Nothing really to see. I was hoping to see the globe, but can't see it from here. Plus, it's probably not too spectacular during the day. I'm always impressed by this view going into the gulch. Towards Sam's house. This is another fantastic view. Going through the mountain. It looks like you're gonna just run into the side of it. No, perfectly safe. Carved out rock. I truly am amazed how much traffic there is in the middle of nowhere, near the border of Nevada. Makes no sense. And then we'll suddenly just start going again. And for whatever reason, people in the passing lane stay in that lane, even though it's slowed down much slower than the right-hand lane where the semi-trucks are. So I just stay here. Whatever. Other than that, it's going well. I've got 3 hours, 20 minutes left. I don't think I'm gonna have to stop for gas because I filled up before I left. Becky packed me plenty of snacks, so I'm good. Anyway, that's how it's going. So we're on our way. It's getting close. It's empty, but not for long. What do we got, like a 45-minute drive, 40. Something? 50 from here? We're a little farther, I think. Just waiting on the curbs.
This will be the furthest from the Shire you've ever been. You've never been up to Cedar, have you?
I think I've driven through it. All right, we've arrived. She's ready to load.
We've arrived. Dang it!
Andrew says it runs and drives, so about to find out. Let's get her loaded. All right, I thought Andrew was recording the event, so maybe he'll post something later. But there she is. All loaded up and ready to be pulled by Jean and on the way home. This is easy. Got Sam and Bean and Curbs helping me out.
The muscle.
The muscle, yeah. Appreciate that. All right, well, made it to Sam's house. Checking the straps. Still taut. That one's a little loose on purpose. Oh yeah, she's doing good. All right, so I've made it to Vegas. Pretty decent time. I think I'm getting like 20 miles per gallon, which is crazy considering that thing's back there. But yeah, I mean, I've checked the straps, they're all doing well. Making decent time, so just want to provide an update. Well, I've officially made it to Ridgecrest. Just got a few more minutes before I go in the gate. Can't record in the gate, so just do it now. No flat tires, thankfully. Mileage, I think, was a little less, more like 17 or 18, but hey, that's fantastic. Got a little hot going up 6% inclines. Had to slow it down at one point. I probably didn't have to go 45, but I did at one point just to make sure. But then I figured out I could do probably about 60 going up a 6% and still keep the temperature under 225. So not that all of you want to know that, but for the geeks out there, it's critical to know these things. All right, signing off. There she is. Survived. Final resting place. Well, hopefully not final resting place. You know what I mean. All right. Well, my first to clean the windows. I don't know if they've ever been cleaned, ever. The back piece is plexiglass. It cleaned up okay. It's a little foggy, but not too shabby. This is a Mark Karlstrom unique build here. This seat did a great job on it. Yeah, you can actually see out, minus the crack. A little distracting, but something for me to fix. For those interested, here's the motor. A little bit of a coolant leak in the front, but you know, she's an old lady. She's a little incontinent. That's okay. We'll fix her up nice. Locked. The gold tooth was serendipitous. Andrew did that because for whatever reason, he picked gold. I have a gold tooth as well, so, you know, it goes together. Wheels have got to go. No offense, Andrew, but I need some Stevies with the original hubcaps. Andrew did a great job on the bed. A lot of work on this bed, actually. Tailgate, I know he's coming out with a YouTube series, I believe, where he documents everything. 2 taillights, which is unusual for this truck. But yeah, great looking wood bed. I'll show you the hubcaps real quick. They had a nice Art Deco look back in the 40s. So if I can get some wheels, you know, that are worthy of these hubcaps, I will do that.